Hello, your awesomeness, and welcome to the Resource Library. This is more than a collection of worksheets and journals. It is your living toolbox to embody the God Insight way. The journey of transformation doesn't end when you finish the lessons. In many ways, that's where it truly begins. These resources have been created to help you turn spiritual truth into daily practice so you can live from the presence of God within. Don't feel you need to complete everything at once. Simply choose the resource that best supports you where you are today. Use it consistently and allow it to become part of your daily rhythm. Remember, knowledge may inspire you, but practice transforms your transformation. It is not measured by what you know, but by who you become. I'm honored to walk this journey with you. Please do not hesitate to ask any questions if there are.